Close your eyes for a moment if you can. Take a deep breath. Allow yourself to be present. This time is for you. Before we begin, subscribe to Thinking Deeply Now on YouTube and follow Thinking Deeply Now on TikTok for more powerful lessons on mindset, personal growth, and success. Every day, your mind is having a conversation with itself. The question is, what are you telling yourself? Many people spend their lives focused on their fears, their failures, and their limitations. They replay past mistakes, worry about the future, and underestimate their own potential. But your thoughts are powerful. The words you repeat to yourself shape your beliefs. Your beliefs influence your actions, and your actions create your future. If you want a better life, you must first develop a better mindset. Positive thinking is not about ignoring reality. It is about choosing hope over fear, courage over doubt, and possibility over limitation. It is about believing that no matter where you are today, you can grow, improve, and move forward. Now repeat these affirmations with confidence and conviction. I am capable of achieving my goals. I believe in myself and my abilities. Every day I grow stronger and wiser. I choose positive thoughts that empower my life. I release self-doubt and embrace confidence. I am worthy of success and happiness. My potential is greater than any challenge I face. I learn from every experience. I am becoming a better version of myself every day. I focus on opportunities instead of obstacles. I have the power to create positive change in my life. I am resilient, determined, and strong. My mind is calm, focused, and clear. I choose faith over fear. I choose growth over comfort. I choose action over excuses. I trust myself to make wise decisions. Every challenge is helping me grow. Every setback is preparing me for a comeback. I attract positive energy into my life. I am grateful for what I have and excited for what is coming. My future is bright and full of possibilities. I deserve success because I am willing to work for it. I am stronger than my fears. I am bigger than my problems. I am capable of overcoming any obstacle. I believe in my dreams. I believe in my purpose. I believe in myself. Remember this, the quality of your life is determined by the quality of your thoughts. When you change the way you think, you change the way you act. When you change the way you act, you change the direction of your life. Do not wait for confidence to arrive before taking action. Take action and confidence will follow. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Create it. Do not allow temporary failures to define your future. Your story is still being written. Your best days are still ahead of you. Your greatest opportunities may be closer than you think. Believe in yourself when no one else does. Keep moving forward when others give up. Stay positive when circumstances become difficult. Because every great achievement begins with a person who refuses to stop believing. As you continue your journey, carry these affirmations with you. Speak them daily. Believe them deeply. Live them consistently. And watch how your mindset begins to transform your reality. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this message, subscribe to Thinking Deeply Now on YouTube and follow Thinking Deeply Now on TikTok for more inspiring content on deep thinking,